Hi, my name is Enara. I'm the co-founder for Ravona Naturals, and welcome to R-rated self-care. So at Ravona, we believe in self-care simplified. The market is cluttered with information, and we thought let's bring in a few people, industry specialists, people from everyday life, influencers, just come and talk about self-care, how to simplify it, and touch upon key points to make our lives a little bit less complex than they already are. If you like this kind of a concept and are interested to know more, please like, watch this video, comment, and share along. Let's begin. To understand these age-old traditions, we have our two in-house cosmetologists with us, Ashika and Snehal. Hi, how are you guys doing?
Hi. Yeah, good.
You're good?
Great.
A little bit nervous?
Yeah, a little bit,
but
yeah, excited also.
Okay, good. क्या आपने पहले ऐसी अजीब चीजें की है कि मम्मी ने बोला तो मैंने ये लगा लिया एंड अभी भी कर रहे हो?
हाँ, अभी भी कर रहे हैं और पहले भी करते आए हैं. जैसे मम्मी बहुत सारी चीजें बोलती थी कि बेसन लगा लो तो आपकी स्किन ग्लो करेगी, बट हाँ बेसन तो मुझे सूट ही नहीं हुआ. बट ऐसी बहुत सारी चीजें, बट मुझे ये लगता है कुछ चीजें मिथ है.
ओके, तो आपको क्या लगता है ये जो मिथ्स है कहाँ से आते हैं?
See, all these myths are from, we have seen our nana, nani, grandparents and family members to use all this thing at home. So we saw from there,
Okay.
and we started using from there. Like
Okay.
raw milk is there are so many natural ingredients like raw milk, haldi, chandan, kesar. Lots of things are there.
Okay. Do you think there's scientific base to these myths?
Some yes, and some are only myths.
Okay, only myths.
True.
Well, because there are some that are only myths and some have scientific base, I would like to ask you some famous ones and then we can break them down, whether these are true, whether they make sense or no.
Sure,
Are we good to do that? Okay, perfect. You need a 7 to 10 step skincare routine.
It's totally myth.
Okay.
Keep it simple. Focus on your skin required. What your skin required is very important. Because जब तक आपको पता ही नहीं होगा कि आपकी स्किन को क्या चाहिए, आपको पता ही नहीं है आपकी स्किन किस टाइप की है, ऑयली है, सेंसिटिव है, ड्राई है, तो आपकी स्किन टाइप आपको पता होनी चाहिए. आफ्टर दैट आप कुछ भी प्रोडक्ट यूज कीजिए, आपके कितने स्टेप है उस पर डिपेंड नहीं रहता.
ओके, बट देन आप अगर आपका स्किन टाइप भी फिगर आउट कर देते हो तो भी 7 to 10 स्टेप रूटीन नेसेसरी है?
No, it's not necessary.
Okay, it's not necessary.
No.
In that sense, because आप भी cosmetologist, आपके कितने स्टेप रूटीन्स हैं?
Three.
Yeah.
First cleanser, face wash and lip balm.
बस?
Yeah.
No sunscreen?
In morning, yeah.
हाँ.
Night, this is my night routine, and my morning routine is cleanser, face wash, sunscreen and moisturizer.
बस. Okay, and आपका?
Yeah, same. Like I used to do scrubbing twice a week, and like face wash, scrubbing, a very good moisturizer, sunscreen, and a lip balm.
Okay. So
But sunscreen is mandatory.
Yeah.
Okay. Drinking water keeps your skin hydrated.
It's a myth.
Okay.
Because आप कितना भी पानी पी लो, सबकी skin hydrated नहीं रहती, because there is genetic problem also. There is a skin routine habits also.
Okay.
There कितना भी पानी पी लो, ऐसा नहीं है कि आपकी skin hydrated लगेगी.
Okay, तो body से related है कि healthy होगा, but that doesn't necessarily mean skin भी hydrated
लगेगी.
लगेगी.
Health, but ये directly guarantee नहीं है कि skin hydrated.
Okay. You need to exfoliate your skin daily.
No, it's a myth.
Okay.
See, we cannot exfoliate our skin daily because there are some, it's exfoliations create sometimes dryness.
Okay.
And irritation.
Okay.
So exfoliation is good, but twice or thrice a week, not daily.
Not daily. Okay. Starts glowing after marriage.
It's a fact.
Oh, okay.
Because I am a married woman, so I can see that. Like you got lots of compliment from others. Because again, there are a few hormonal changes are there. So of course.
Hormonal changes को शादी किया.
चलो मैं भी शादी
तो it's a fact. It's a fact. So as a married woman, it's a fact.
Yeah.
Okay.
हमको शादी करनी है.
हाँ, हमको भी शादी करनी है. Okay. Eye creams are magic for under eye bags.
It's not a myth.
Okay.
Because आपकी जो अंडर आई स्किन होती है बहुत थिन होती है, and yes we require the प्रोटेक्शन.
Okay.
So या क्रीम प्रोटेक्ट करती है, हेल्प करती है इरिटेशन रिड्यूस करने के लिए, पफिनेस रिड्यूस करने के लिए, अंडर आई डार्क सर्कल्स रिड्यूस करने के लिए.
Okay. So but then अंडर आई बैग्स भी थोड़े जेनेटिक होते हैं and थोड़े बिकॉज ऑफ स्किन इश्यूज. तो अंडर आई क्रीम्स जो स्किन इश्यूज का है दैट दे हेल्प विद एंड दैट्स अ फैक्ट.
देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स एंड इंग्रेडिएंट्स आल्सो जो रिड्यूस करते हैं एंड हेल्प करते हैं इन सब प्रॉब्लम्स को.
सच एज कौन से टाइप के इंग्रेडिएंट्स फॉर अंडर आई स्पेसिफिकली वुड बी गुड?
Like vitamin E,
okay,
almond oil.
Okay,
there are lots of ingredients.
So a lot of hydrating ingredients. Okay, you don't need retinol until the age of 50.
No, it's a myth.
Okay,
see, like from the age of 30, everyone can use retinol and start using it. I can suggest because retinol आप night में apply करते हो, so it's help in collagen, promote collagen production.
Okay.
It makes your skin improve your skin elasticity and skin texture.
Okay.
So from the age of 30, anyone can apply the retinol based products.
Okay, so right now retinol as an ingredient has been focused on a lot, and I see my friends only who are in the 20s using it. So you think that 30 onwards hona chahiye ki 20 mein it's okay to use retinol?
Between 20 to 30 also it's okay to use.
Okay, it's okay to use.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, there's no need for sunscreen in the fall or winter.
It's a myth.
Okay.
आप सनस्क्रीन हमेशा यूज करना चाहिए फॉल और विंटर में बिकॉज इट प्रोटेक्ट्स द यूवी रेज.
Okay.
So yeah,
every time.
Yeah,
every day daily sunscreen.
Yeah, daily sunscreen.
Okay, daily sunscreen. Toners are necessary.
No, it's a myth.
Okay.
It's not necessary, but still people who are having oily or oily skin or sensitive skin can use alcohol free or soothing toners.
Okay.
But it's not necessary.
It's not necessary.
No, not at all.
It must be good if it burns.
No, it's a myth.
Okay.
Because the product, if the skin burns, तो मतलब आपका जो product है, एक तो आपको सूट नहीं हो रहा है product. It's very harsh product for your skin, and it's not depends on effectiveness.
Okay. तो usually मेरी मम्मी जब मास्क बनाती है घर पे वो हल्दी चंदन और नींबू डालती है, बिकॉज नींबू इज एसिडिक, वो बर्न करता है, बट दैट स्टिल इजंट गुड फॉर माय स्किन.
बट बर्निंग सेंसेशन भी वही होता है जहाँ पर आपकी स्किन एक्सेप्ट नहीं करती है.
ओके, ओके, अंडरस्टूड. टूथपेस्ट श्रिंक पिंपल्स, इज दैट ट्रू?
No, it's a myth.
Okay.
See, toothpaste are having few ingredients which may harm to your skin.
Okay.
So it's advisable to use other products which are already available in the market for pimples and all.
तो ये आया कहाँ से कि क्यों लोग टूथपेस्ट लगाना चालू कर दिए? उन लोग ने क्यों सोचा कि टूथपेस्ट एक्चुअली पिंपल हेल्प कर देगा?
See, for a short period maybe it works, and again as I said earlier also, like it is all coming from the old. Like from our dadaji, dadi and all. They all are using all these things at home. So it's all coming from there.
Okay.
And it's totally a myth.
Okay.
See, that time in old past days, products are not available for each and every skin problem.
Okay.
So that's why they start using the toothpaste and aloe vera.
Okay.
Gharilu nuska, you can say. Whatever they are, whatever easily available, they are using it.
Okay. But this is a very common, very famous myth जो लोग अभी भी करते हैं घर पे, and like young girls also do it. Are there any particular ingredients in the toothpaste that actually will harm your skin instead of benefit the pimple?
Yeah, definitely. There are few raw materials or ingredients in the product, which may cause irritation or burning on the skin.
Okay.
Menthol is there, which gives freshness to the mouth. So on skin, it will definitely give some cooling or reddening.
Okay. Keep switching up products. Basically, use something new every day or every month.
It's a myth.
Okay.
आप जितने प्रोडक्ट स्विच करेंगे तो उतना आपकी स्किन एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेगी प्रोडक्ट्स को, एंड इट्स नॉट गुड फॉर योर स्किन आल्सो. इट disrupt your skin balance. Okay.
So usually people will have to experiment to understand कि क्या product उनके लिए suit करता है. So in how many days or in कितना tries के like suit किया, then continue. If not, in this much time you should change and find another product.
First, जब भी आप कोई नया प्रोडक्ट यूज करते हैं तो आप पैच टेस्ट कर सकते हैं.
Okay.
कि वो आपको सूट हो रहा है कि नहीं. After that you can use the product.
Okay. And patch test how? Are there any specific spots on the body, skin?
ईयर के नीचे कर सकते हैं,
हाँ.
या आप यहाँ पर भी कर सकते हैं.
Okay.
Yes.
And ईयर के नीचे is a new one. वहाँ पे क्यों?
This skin is sensitive.
Okay.
So yes.
So वहाँ पे you know whether it's
Yeah.
good for you or not. Okay. Once you have treated dark spots, they are gone.
No, it's totally myth.
Okay.
See, again, dark spots are like, you know, it's again skin to skin, and what kind of dark spots are there. So some may treat maybe in 6 months or in 2 years, but it may come back because of some other reasons.
Okay. So for me, for example, I know that the hyperpigmentation I have is genetic, and जितना भी मैं use करती हूँ वो जाता नहीं है, over time light हो गया है, but it doesn't go. So is that why it will come back, or is there another reason that dark spots come back?
As you said, maybe it is genetic, but yeah, you can cure it by applying a specific product which is suits to your skin.
Okay, but you have to use it continuously, because it will come back.
Yeah, it's because it is curing. You're seeing कि like हाँ आपको result मिल रहा है in a week time, in a month time, so definitely you can continue using it.
Okay, and I think that relates to the same जो स्नेहल का myth था that you keep switching products, so you shouldn't, because you want to use the same too.
क्योंकि वो आपको proper result नहीं देगा. आप product लगाएंगे नहीं तो आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि product effective है या नहीं.
हाँ, and sometimes you need to keep patience, you know, otherwise you will get confused. Because frequent switching may create, you know, lots of confusion also.
Okay, never put oil on oily skin.
It's a myth.
Okay.
Some oil is good for your oily skin also.
Okay.
There are, for example, squalene oil. It's good for oily skin.
Okay.
So yeah, it's myth.
It's a myth.
Yeah,
okay.
It's a myth.
If you have oily skin, you don't need to moisturize.
No, it's a myth.
Okay.
Every skin type need a moisturization. So if you have a oily skin, you can apply a, you know, very light gel-based moisturizer.
Okay.
So moisturization is a very, you know, important
thing.
Yeah.
Why is moisturization important?
See, if you don't moisturize your skin, you will get lots of dryness and itchiness.
Okay.
So it is always advisable.
Even if your skin is producing oil, if you're not moisturizing, it will cause itchiness or
because light moisturization is must.
Okay. Wearing makeup every day is bad for your skin.
It's a myth. आप हमेशा मेकअप लगा सकते हैं, and it's not that कि आप वो bad है, because आप good quality product लगा रहे हैं and उसको properly remove कर रहे हैं. It's important.
Okay, so the proper removal of makeup is very important.
You should follow a proper, you know, regime, like when to apply, how to remove, how much to apply, what steps to follow.
Okay, so makeup doesn't necessarily harm your skin, but if you don't remove it, it will harm your skin. Okay, so what do you suggest for makeup removal? Do you think micellar water is good, or a balm is good, or just a face wash or a soap?
Natural ingredient products.
Okay.
It's good for your skin and moisturization.
Okay, so then, but then there's like, usually there's natural micellar water, there's natural soaps, there's balm. So what is better?
Don't use soaps and all. Use cleanser.
Okay.
Yeah, mild cleanser.
Mild cleansers. Okay. If you get sleep, your under eye circles will go away.
It's a totally myth.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's like, sleep may help you, but not cure under eye puffiness or dark circles. So for that, definitely you need a very good, you know, soothing and effective products to cure it.
Okay. Lemon juice lightens the skin tone.
It's a fact.
Okay.
Lemon juice lighten the skin tone because it is having natural bleaching agents.
Okay.
But it's like one shade brighter skin you can see, but not 100% permanent. It don't give the permanent solution.
Okay, so you can see a brighter skin tone, but not a lighter skin tone.
Brighter we can say,
brighter
not
we
lighter.
can see. Yeah. And then what Snehal had mentioned before also, okay, if it burns, then it's not good for you. So if the lemon juice is burning, that should they be doing it too?
It depends on the percentage, skin to skin, and how much percentage you are using.
Okay, so lemon juice is good to brighten the skin.
Yeah.
Okay. Higher SPF means better protection.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's fact.
Okay.
Higher protection protects your skin from UVA, UVB rays. Because जितना आप It depends on your daily routine also, activities also. आप कितना टाइम बाहर आउटिंग कर रहे हैं, सन एक्सपोजर में कितना है, it depends on your activity.
Okay.
But yes, higher SPF is protect your skin.
Okay, so usually I get these questions कि यो SPF factors amount to what? मतलब अगर SPF 30 है, 40 है, 50 है, तो उसका मतलब क्या है वो नंबर का?
SPF 30 आप जैसे कि नॉर्मल डेज है, नॉट टू मच सनी डेज, आप तब यूज कर सकते हैं. SPF 50 आपको रिक्वायर्ड रहता है सनी डेज में. SPF 50 is mandatory for outdoor activity.
So is the 30, 40, 50 time related or protection related? Protection related,
yeah,
not time. But general sunscreens फिर कितना time रहते हैं और they protected?
SPF 50 like I said SPF 50 2 hours के आपको अप्लाई
करना पड़ेगा.
सनस्क्रीन आपको अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा after 2 hours.
After 2 hours. Okay. Natural ingredients are always good for your skin.
Yeah, it's a fact.
Okay.
Natural ingredients are good for your skin because it is having lots of, benefits, purity. So everyone can use that.
Okay.
But maybe sometime किसी का skin बहुत sensitive है या फिर like depends on the skin to skin.
Okay.
So it may cause a skin irritation sometimes.
Okay. So sometimes people are allergic to natural ingredients, so that could be a problem. But otherwise, natural ingredients.
Yeah,
are good.
always.
Okay. Pores open and close.
See, it's totally a myth. We can't open the pores, even can't close the pores.
Okay.
We can maintain it like doing proper cleansing and exfoliation to remove the excess oil and dirt from your pores. But it's not up to us like how we can close it or open it.
Okay.
We should maintain the skin health by doing the proper cleansing and exfoliation.
But there's a lot of these like ads that you'll see कि you put a mask on your nose and then your pores go away. So they actually shut, or what is the whole thing?
It just shrinks the pore
so it
by
shrinks
giving
it.
proper hydration and moisturization to your skin.
Minimize your pores.
Yeah.
So it reduces the size, it doesn't close it.
It doesn't close it.
Okay. Expensive products are always effective.
It's a myth. Effectiveness is not depends upon the price. It depends upon the formulation, ingredients, and आपके वो product आपके suit कैसे कर रहा है skin पे. It's all depends upon the ingredients and formulations. Yeah.
Okay, understood. Acne is just a teenager problem.
It's a myth.
Okay.
Acne is like it can happen to any age, but yeah. When you are into puberty, maybe there are chances कि आपको बहुत ज़्यादा acne हो. But it's a myth. It doesn't happen only to teenagers. Can happen to anyone because of atmospheric condition or maybe due to maybe genetic.
Okay.
Or maybe some other skin problems.
Okay.
It's actually hormonal changes.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, because when I hit puberty around 13 and stuff, मेरे को ऐसा pimples नहीं आया था. But then I know that when you turn 21, 22, there's like a second puberty that you go through.
Yeah,
वो पूरा change आ पाता है. So
yes.
now I've started like getting थोड़ा pimples here and there.
Yes. So this is all because of hormonal changes as well.
Okay. Scrubbing harder gives better results.
It's a myth.
Okay.
Because आप ज़्यादा particle size जब scrubbing का बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा होता है, it's harmful for your skin.
Okay.
And gentle exfoliation is much better than the harder.
Much better. तो usually लोग ऐसा सोचते हैं कि अगर मैं स्क्रब कर रहा हूँ या कर रही हूँ तो वो डर्ट निकलना चाहिए, दिखना चाहिए. पर अगर वो दिखता है usually कि नहीं, क्योंकि इसलिए वो लोग इतना बहुत ज़्यादा घसते हैं और फिर निकालते हैं.
Yes,
तो then
but
what's the...
for sensitive skin and all, harder exfoliation is not good for the skin.
See, if people are like निकलना चाहिए, so for that they need to apply at least twice or thrice in a week, not a single result.
Every day.
Not every day.
Gentle exfoliation is much better.
Much better. Okay.
And effective also.
Okay. Anti-aging products are only for older people.
No, it's a myth. See, there are so many products in the market which we can start applying from the age of 20. So it's a myth that people are saying use, anti-aging products when you are 50, at the age of 50 or after 50. So anyone can use it from the age of 20 because it's other than anti-aging, it is having lots of other benefits. Yeah.
So it's safe to use and it's kind of like a prevention.
Yeah. It's, it's better to take, address the problems priorly.
Okay. Hair loss and skin issues are common after pregnancy.
It's a fact because उस टाइम पे बहुत सारे इमोशन से पास होते हो एंड आपके बॉडी में हार्मोनल चेंजेस होते हैं एंड बहुत सारा ब्लड फ्लो होता है, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट स्किन एंड हेयर इशू हो सकता है.
Okay. Okay. Skin issues are genetic and cannot be resolved.
See, again, it's like sometimes it may resolve or sometimes not.
Okay.
It depends on your skin condition
Okay.
and what kind of process or treatment you are taking for that.
Okay. So it's like a maybe, maybe not.
Yeah.
situation. Washing face multiple times will keep face glowing.
इट्स मिथ.
Okay.
आप जितने टाइम फेस वॉश करेंगे उतने टाइम आपका जो नेचुरल ऑयल है वो प्रोडक्शन कम हो जाएगा.
Okay.
तो आपकी स्किन
Glow नहीं कर
Yeah.
सकती.
आप अपना नेचुरल ग्लो ही आप खत्म कर रहे हो बिकॉज यूजिंग फेस वॉश.
Okay. Eating garlic will boost glow on your face.
इट्स टोटली मिथ.
Okay.
बिकॉज आप जब गार्लिक खाते हैं तो आप हीट प्रोड्यूस करते हैं आपकी बॉडी.
Okay.
So it's very harmful for your skin also. And कभी कभार आपको रेड बॉइल्स भी हो सकते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ दैट, स्पेशली फॉर इंडियन पीपल.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, okay, so we're done with this round. Thank you for answering and breaking down all these myths. Are there any that we have missed out on जो आपको अभी भी लगता है myths है और आपको उसके बारे में कुछ बताना है?
मिथ्स नहीं, बट यस यू शुड नो योर स्किन टाइप फर्स्ट. क्योंकि जब तक आपको आपकी स्किन टाइप पता नहीं होंगी तो आप बेस्ट प्रोडक्ट आपके लिए चूज नहीं कर पाएंगे.
Okay.
एंड इफेक्टिव प्रोडक्ट आपको समझ नहीं आएगी कि कौन सा प्रोडक्ट आपके लिए इफेक्टिव
है. हाँ.
There are 4 types of skin.
Okay.
Oily skin, dry skin, combination skin and sensitive skin.
Okay.
तो आपको फर्स्टली आपकी स्किन टाइप क्या है वो आपको जानना पड़ेगा.
और वो कैसे जान सकते हैं?
तो आप मॉर्निंग में उठिए एंड कुछ प्रोडक्ट लगाने से पहले ही आप ऑब्जर्व कीजिए आपकी स्किन कैसी है.
Yeah, see, आपकी स्किन ही इंडिकेट करती है what it needs.
हाँ.
So you need to observe that.
Okay.
सो येस ऑयली स्किन बहुत शाइनी होती है. इट्स लुक वेरी शाइनी. एंड कॉम्बिनेशन स्किन टी जोन होता है अपना एंड यू जोन होता है. अगर आपका ऑयल यहाँ पर सीक्रेट हो रहा है और यहाँ पर आपको ड्राई लग रहा है या यहाँ पर आपका ऑयल सीक्रेट हो रहा है यहाँ पर ड्राई लग रहा है तो इट्स अ कॉम्बिनेशन.
ओके.
ड्राई स्किन बहुत इची होती है, स्केली लगती है आपको.
ओके.
एंड सेंसिटिव स्किन बहुत आप कुछ भी प्रोडक्ट लगाए तो आप वो रिएक्ट करेगा. लाइक रेडनेस आएगा, इन्फ्लामेशन होगा.
ओके. सो जो आपने पहले बताया कहाँ पे अप्लाई करना चाहिए सेंसिटिव के लिए एटलीस्ट, बिकॉज आपने बोला अगर कुछ भी लगाओगे तो रिएक्ट होता है.
पैच टेस्ट करना बहुत जरूरी है. जब भी आप कोई भी प्रोडक्ट यूज करते हैं तो आप पैच टेस्ट कीजिए.
हाँ.
बिकॉज आपको ऐसा नहीं चाहिए कि आपके कुछ प्रोडक्ट लगाने से आपकी स्किन मतलब बर्न हो जाए.
वो इतना पैसा डाल रहे हैं तो एटलीस्ट वो पैच टेस्ट करिए.
बिकॉज हो सकता है कुछ प्रोडक्ट मुझे सूट कर रहा है लेकिन आप दोनों को नहीं. सो इट्स ऑलवेज गुड टू डू अ पैच टेस्ट.
सो बिकॉज देयर आर सो मेनी ब्रांड्स जो ऑनलाइन बेचते हैं, before at least specifically for sensitive skin type people, how can they before they buy at least see whether the ingredient or कैसा कुछ है ऐसा नोट के दिखाएगा कि no this won't be suitable for your skin?
वैसे तो जो मार्केट के प्रोडक्ट है वो लिखते हैं फॉर सेंसिटिव स्किन, बट आपको जानना है तो जैसे फेस वॉश है तो आप माइल्ड फेस वॉश यूज कीजिए, सल्फेट फ्री यूज कीजिए.
ओके.
एंड माइल्ड क्लींजर जो लेस फोमिंग हो,
less chemicals.
Okay.
Sulfate free.
Okay. Understood.
And, yeah, study the content, like what USP is there,
Okay. Understood.
what they have written.
Okay. Is there any website where you want to cross check the ingredients whether it suits your skin type if you know of
now
any?
AI is
available,
Yeah.
so we can check it across. Understood. Thank you for getting through that. Is there any other advice you want to give our viewers, our audiences, just for their routines and stuff?
अगर आप कोई भी होम रेमेडीज ट्राई कर रहे हैं तो डोंट यूज घर में आप ग्राइंड करके प्रोडक्ट यूज कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि उसका जब भी आप हमेशा ग्राइंड करोगे आपका पार्टिकल साइज अलग अलग होगा.
right.
दाल ग्राइंड करें तो पार्टिकल से आपको नहीं पता है तो आप मार्केट से लो जो मतलब फाइन पाउडर में है.
Okay.
वो यूज कर सकते हैं. आपको अगर रेमेडीज करनी है
You need to you need to check the what kind of size required for the exfoliation.
Okay.
See, in formulations there are lots of things. Grades are important, purities are important, and like percentage are most important.
Okay.
So it's not easy to use everything at home and like mix it and make it and apply it. It's like सबके पीछे एक process होती है, technicality होती है, so वो बहुत important होता है उसको understand करना.
Okay. Okay. So मतलब घर पे जो इंग्रेडिएंट्स है while they are good for you, that doesn't mean कि जो आप जैसे मिक्स कर रहे हो या जैसे ग्राइंड कर रहे हो, that would also be good for you.
Yeah.
So that's where companies come in, or the products that they make, they're a little bit more
क्योंकि
effective.
वो उनके पास टेक्निकलिटी है, उनके पास स्पेसिफिकेशन है, स्टैंडर्ड्स है, तो या
Yes.
Okay, understood. Any other additions or any other last comments?
So, but I will suggest like skincare routine on day-to-day basis is very important. Like especially the cleansing of your face. Like आप morning में face wash तो करते ही हो,
हाँ.
लेकिन आप जब घर पहुँचते हो तो please don't be lazy.
हाँ.
Face को clean करना before going to sleep and have a very light moisturizer is very very important.
Very.
आप कुछ करो ना करो ये बहुत important है.
वैसे
Okay.
भी लड़कों को वैसे भी आलस आता है, तो सिंपल रूटीन फॉलो कीजिए, लड़के स्पेशली आप फेस वॉश यूज कीजिए, क्लींजर यूज कीजिए, मॉइस्चराइजर एंड सनस्क्रीन,
बस उतना ही.
Yes.
That's three. Okay. Thank you for coming onto the podcast and
Yeah,
breaking
yeah.
these myths
Most
down.
welcome.
Most welcome.
I hope you had fun and we've had
Yeah.
fun and we've
Yeah,
gone
yeah,
through
it's
this.
very